Shenzhen Hongji Electronic Technology Company Limited, built in 2005, is one of professional manufacturer for intelligent home security video doorbells, video door phones, and home use security intelligent alarms in Shenzhen, China. Our company's injection and precision molding production is up to the standard, ISO 9001. Through the coordination work of important precision equipment, experienced research and development engineers, and testing department, we have provided our stable and popular home security series doorbells, video door phones, home use alarms, and OEM services to our clients from South America, Eastern Europe, Southeast Asia, Northern Europe, Middle East. We are glad that our products and services earned clients' recognition and respect. In addition, we are proud of ourselves because we never forget our initial aim, that is continuous innovation. In 2010, our company has been applying for the brand Kaivos to gain confidence to clients and to promote company's development. The main products are wired video doorbell, peephole video door phone, wireless video door phone, and video alarm with design patent. CE, FCC, and ROHS certification make our product quality cater to different standards of different countries. Production management achieves efficient production and on-time delivery. A functional showroom please you a nice journey when you visit us. A skillful and educated international trading team offers professional and sincere service to you. Holding the spirit of continuous innovation, our team works hard to support you by innovative products and thoughtful service.